So tonight we're going to take a look at a super budget-friendly smart bracelet from a company called Lenovo. This is their HX06. It's a brand new smartwatch or smart bracelet from Lenovo. So we'll go ahead and take a look at what all this thing has to offer. Very budget-friendly. So right down here you can see that at the moment GearBest is running a global first launch sale for it, and it's available for $7 for the first 5 units each day. Then after that, for the next 1,000 units, it goes up to $13. So still a fantastic deal for this smart bracelet. So one thing I will say that it's noticeably missing is the fact that right down here, you notice that there is no heart rate sensor. So if you're looking for another budget-friendly one that also has a heart rate sensor, I can definitely recommend this one right over here. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 2. You can see that right here. And this one's available for around anywhere from $15 to $20. Sometimes you can find it as low as $10. But this is a fantastic smart bracelet, very accurate, but also includes a heart rate sensor as well. So if you're looking for one with that, then maybe go with the Mi Band 2 in my opinion. So let's go ahead and take a look at the watch. Basically, there's not a whole lot to it. These bands come right off like that, and you can see that that's how you're going to charge it up. It takes about an hour to charge it up, and you're going to get about, in my experience, about 4 days of battery life, and we'll take a look at that in just a little bit. So this is the first face that you get, so it's just the time, the day, and your date. Then it also has a battery indicator. Then we have our steps, and we have our distance. Now if you hold down, if you long press right here on this button, it will allow you to start an activity to track it. And then we also have your calories burned, and then this is a find my phone function. So it'll count down, and then notice that my phone just vibrated. So find my phone. So it's vibrating that so I can find my phone. Now it doesn't actually ping it or anything, unless maybe it's just because my phone has the volume turned down. Let's try it now. So let's try that again. See if maybe it's just because my volume's turned all the way down. Every other time I've done it, it just vibrates though. Yeah, it's just vibrating. So I don't know why it doesn't ping it. Maybe it's just a setting that I have to adjust. But as far as I know, it just makes it vibrate. So that's it. That's pretty much all you get on here. Very basic smartwatch. So that is the smartwatch itself. Now it tracks both your activity, meaning your steps that you take, also of course the calories that you burn, and then also your sleep, which is kind of interesting how it tracks your sleep. But it actually works. It does a fairly decent job of that. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the companion app that we can see right over here. And it is called Lenovo Healthy. So we'll go ahead and go into Lenovo Healthy. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the main interface. So the first thing you're going to see is your steps for the day. So 11,513 so far today. And then if I scroll down, it'll kind of walk you through all of the different activities you've done through the day. And if I swipe over to the right, it's going to show me my sleep. And again, I'm not really sure how it's so accurate, but it tracked literally the exact same sleep I got with my Amazfit Bip. So I was kind of surprised by that, but it must work off of an accelerometer or gyroscope. So let's go ahead and go over here. So this is just kind of like your sleep throughout the night. So it just goes more in depth. And a couple other things worth mentioning here. Go up here into our little notification or menu here. And you can see you can work in like your step count, your goal, your weight, your height, different things like that, also your birthday. So you can put in all kinds of things like that. And then you can see I'm at 46%. Now that's after 2 full days of usage. And you can see we have a number of things here. So there's the Find My Phone option. We can turn on goal reminders, so that'll tell you when you reach your goal. So it'll just vibrate when you reach your step goal for the day. We have smart reminders. So basically it's just going to give you reminders of just these apps. These are the ones that are available, and all it's going to show are these icons. So when you get like a text message, for instance, it just shows the icon to let you know that you have a text message. If you get a Facebook notification, obviously you can turn that on. I have it turned off, so you can see I only have 3 turned on there just to test it out. It works very well, but again, it's just going to show you an icon. It's not going to show you anything else there. So a few other things that we have here. So we have our display mode, so you can display it in a few different ways, depending if you want to wear it on your right or left wrist, or you can just get it vertical as well. Come on, there we go. All right. So then we have vibration strength. We can set some alarms as well, and then you can, of course, factory reset it. But very basic functions. But of course, again, we're talking about a watch right now that is available for $7 if you can pick it up at that deal. Each day it's going to be available for 5 people at that price, and then after that it's $13, which is still, in my opinion, a very great deal for a watch of, you know, just a very basic smart bracelet that's not like a, you know, silly toy bracelet. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you.